Hi garden friends! Today I'll be making a round succulent arrangement in this Hypertufa pot that I made a few years ago. It's really heavy, sturdy, it's kind of tall, and I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I have this beautiful Echeveria Elegance, also known as Mexican Snowball. I have a pink Echeveria PVN or Perle Nürnberg. It's kind of big. Very excited about that. I also have an Echeveria Lilacina. Echeveria Lola, beautiful, turning pink. And I have another PVN right here. And to give this arrangement some height, I have Chrysula Blue Wave, a super pretty succulent. I love it. And the first thing I'm going to do is put some soil in here. And I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. Okay, and that should be enough. And I'll start with my Chrysula, and I'll put it over here, make a well, stabilize it by pressing the soil around it, just like that. So it's a good start. And I want to put the Mexican Snowball right over here. Oh, it's so big and gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm going to tuck it right in there. I'm going to shovel some soil around to stabilize it right there. Perfect. Oh, so far so good. And I'll put the PBN right there. Oh, perfect. Oh no, and I think I broke some of the... I broke a little leaf there, but that's okay. That'll propagate, hopefully. So I'm going to be a little more gentle here. I'm going to add a little bit more soil. I'm going to add the Echeveria Lola towards the rim here. And I think I have space for one more, and it'll have to be the Lilacina. And I'll tuck that in right in there. Oh, perfect. That was easy enough. Very pretty. And I mean, I've got this one left, but I don't think it's gonna fit. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some stones, and I'm going to cover the soil with stones, just to give this arrangement more complete look, in my opinion. I'm going to slightly lift those succulents up as I tuck the stones in. And I see a hole there, so I'm going to put some stones in there. And I'm almost done here. I just got a little bit more to go here in the back. And I'll water this right after. I'll give it a nice deep watering, and I won't water it until it's completely dry again. So about maybe 2 weeks or so, I'll check if it's dry, and if it is, I'll give it another deep watering. But you know, it may be even 3 weeks, who knows, because there's a lot of soil down there. It is the fall here where I live, so it's not as warm. so it doesn't dry up as fast. but you do have to make sure to water them once they're dry again. Succulents don't like to sit in water, so that's a good tip for someone who is starting to grow succulents. But I hope you enjoyed this video and this arrangement. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye garden friends.